Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of things we've updated on the E30. So wired up the nitrous bottle heater, did all the fuel cell stuff, got all the vacuum leaks done, started on a new throttle cable bracket, finished that up, bled the brakes, got all that done for the most part, started checking all the bolts.
And get your mans!
Yeah, so we also bought some go-karts, as you're about to see. Lewis is ripping one of the 200cc ones, which is ridiculously fast, and we're currently wiring up some of the other go-karts. Alright, so this is one of the shifter frames we got, and as you can see, it needs some work. So we're putting a 200cc motor on that one, and then a 300cc motor on this one. We also got this new E36 M3. Not sure what we're going to do with it yet, but yeah, it's ours. And by the way, this is the shop that I'm currently moving into, so expect to see more stuff from this nice, beautiful place.